delicious food, and it is so full of flavor. There's so much meat, and the jalapenos on here, fresh jalapenos. It just pops in your mouth. There's a little party in your mouth is what's happening. Just love it. I'm going to be taking part of this home with me because there's so much of it.